What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there. And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, sharing, comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And no, shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang gang. And before you watch this video, like I said in every video, don't forget to follow me on social media. Everything will be in the link in the description below. Like I said, I got a new app alert. You know what I'm saying? New app alert. Let me scroll to it. You know, I got a billion apps on here. You know, I'm always trying stuff. You know, I'm always up to something. You know what I mean? But we got a new app. You know what I'm saying? It's called Lucky Day right here, as you can see right here. So let's get right into it. This app is basically a scratch off. You know what I'm saying? All you're doing is scratching off things. And like I said, I was messing with it. You know what I'm saying? Yesterday. You know what I'm saying? I got $1 so far, and I got over 200,000 points. Like I said, I'm gonna get into rewards in a minute. But like I said, let me show you how it works. Let me say they also have a countdown for like not too much into the app yet, being this brand new to me. But like I said, you know, it's basically common sense. Hold up, I got a call right here, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the interruption. But like I was saying, they have raffles and stuff like that. You see the countdown right there when it says cards expire. So, you know, all you gotta do is so you press this. I'm here scratching. So you press play and you scratch. You gotta get 3 of the same. See, out till you see to win $50. See, match 3 symbols and win the prize. Obviously, I didn't get that, but there's also a bonus. So I'm probably just gonna get the points. You know what I mean? And then see, I got the points right there. You press continue, and you move on to the next. Or you could just press here, continue. What I usually do, I just go through all of them since I just started that. Scratch. Got 2 bones. Let's see if I get a third one. Obviously, I didn't. Let's see what's the bonus down here. Only 1,000. So you see, I got the 1,000 right there. So I'm just building up my points. Like I said, you just go one by one. This right here is like a little commercial. I'm pretty sure you get points for watching these ads. This is a light ad for a couple seconds. Watch it, you know what I'm saying? Exit out on top. Over on to the next play now. Let's see if I can get one more. Obviously I didn't. 1,000 more points. Continue. That's all you're doing. That's all you're doing through the whole thing. It's probably made. See, I finally got 3 to match. 10,000. And let's see what's the bonus. So, you know, I got 11,000 points. You know what I mean? That's all you're doing. You see how you can keep going. You just basically look through it. You know, free tokens. See what else you can do on here. There's a bunch of stuff, bunch of scratches off you can do. Let's get to the rewards though. All right here. You see, like I said, what I have right now. The total points, the raffles, the lottos, the blackjack, redeem rewards, redeem cash, free tokens, leaderboards, recent winners, blase. So let's just say redeem rewards. Let me show you what they got on here. You know what I'm saying? They got Panorama, Target, they got PayPal. Like I said, let's press the PayPal, right? See, I need to get this is $2 right here. To get $2, you need basically 3 million. But what you could do is click this out. You could move it to the side. You see how it goes up there to the side for $10, for $5, for $3. Depending on if you want to cash out, you know what I'm saying? They got Amazon, Dunkin' Donuts. They got a whole bunch of stuff, like I said. But knowing me, I'm going to go to the 10 right here. That's the max you can go to. They got Adidas, you know, Domino's and stuff like that. Let's just say, if it's this Sephora, I'm just grab it. They say I wanted to get Amazon, right? $10 Amazon. It's sold out, as you can see right here. But it'd be 10 million, you know what I'm saying, 375 and some change, whatever. So that's how much you have to get this, but it's sold out regardless, you know what I mean? But I don't have that right now, but I'm not too far from there. I just started, so this is all you really have to do. Like I said, you can, you know, share it on Facebook, you know, Instagram, Twitter, and all the other stuff, you know what I mean? And like I said, my link will be in the description below. Like I said, here's the code right here. As you can see, L5NPZL8. Like I said, you can put that in right there. When you go right here, put in the code, and you'll get some points right there. So definitely go check that out. You know what I mean? And like I said, all you gotta do is keep going back. Press this. Like I've been showing you. Scratch off. And that. You know what I mean? And excuse the background, you know, somebody came by, you know, I'm doing a video rudely, you know what I mean? But yeah, like I said, that's all you have to do right there. Is, like I said, this is a scratch off game. This is a reward. See, I got 3 right there, so I won 15,000 points. Another 1,000 on top of that. So that's gonna be 16,000, as you saw right there. That's all you gotta do, man. The link will be in the description below. And the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, but don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink.